It has been exactly 1 month since I staked my Cardano. So let's see the result and see what is going on with the passive income of staking. Hello, welcome to Finance 101, Canadian Financial Health. On today's episode, we're going to check on the progress of staking Cardano and how we are making passive income. So let's go right ahead and see what is going on. As you can see on I'm on my dashboard right now. You can always go on your wallet and see all the cryptos that you own. So as you can see here, right now I only own Shiba and Cardano. I own Shiba and Cardano, Stellar. I don't know how much I have. I think I sold it. That's just a little bit I have left over. And Dogecoin. If you go on the Wealthsimple site, I own Dogecoin over there. I own Shiba and also own more Cardano on that site. I'm just hoping that you'll be able to stake on that side too. I'm gonna jump right in because I think I have about 2,000 shares of Cardano on Wealthsimple site. So on your main dashboard, when you come to the left hand side, you just go down here and you go to staking so you can see your progress. Yes, as we can see right now, in exactly 1 month, I have $4.47 on the passive income earned. If you ask me, this is a no-brainer because, first of all, I would already own the Cardano over here. So owning the Cardano and just leaving it on the other side, if you come here on wallet, so I still would have owned Cardano anyways, right here. That's a Cardano I would have owned on right here. Right here. But because it's saying that I only have $5.13 because that is all the Cardano I have over here. But if you come on the site where I'm staking, it shows how much I have over here. That's how much Cardano worth as Canadian dollar on this side. And just by staking the Cardano I have, on 1 month I made $4.47. You can say, well, it's not that much money. But what I'm trying to tell you is, if I would have left it on the other side, I still own the same amount of Cardano I own, but this money will be non-existent because this is what I get from staking. And if I just left it on the other side, I'm gonna earn no passive income on it because it's still sitting there. It's the same amount of Cardano I own, and when Cardano do go up, it's still gonna go up on this side too. But because I decided to stake, I'm making the passive income on here $4.47 on a month. But I think the next month it should be over $5 because if you notice, when I first started, I only put half of it in here, and then I added the other half to it later on. So it should be a little bit over $5. And if you know anything about investing, every penny counts. Plus, it only makes sense that you stake it because if you don't stake it, I think you're losing out on this money. You can say it's not that much money, but you gotta respect money. And every penny should be valued, not because you think, oh, this is such a small money, because it add up in the long term. Imagine leaving this here for 1 year and how much money you earn. Even if you end up with $50, that's $50 more than you would have had. So I think if you have Cardano just sitting on the other side, just waiting for it to go up, it's a really bad idea if you're not staking the price. Since Cardano is only one burden, meaning burden is when you buy it, you have 1 day, 24 hours for it to start earning interest on there. So after that, you can get out and sell any given time you want. So you have nothing to lose really, because if it goes up, it still goes up, and you get that money, the difference when the one when I buy price, also making this $4.47. So if you're not staking Cardano, I think you're making such a big mistake. Go ahead and stake it right now. I will see you on the next video. This is just a quick update on how our passive income is going. I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, share the video. Peace.